Structural Value Expectation 2023. Our point-by-point examination of Tonic value expectation for the following 7 years. Will Tonic reach $1? The chances are low for Structural to reach $1. Structural value execution over the most recent A-year last multi-month, plus 176%, last 3 months, plus 42% last A-year, 49%. Is Structural crypto a wise venture? Structural is a decentralized convention for currency markets. Customers can take an interest either as liquidity providers or borrowers. Here, the providers of liquidity suppliers give liquidity to the market and, in this way, procure an automated revenue. Then again, borrowers can get the liquidity in a collateralized manner. Structural is a somewhat little player, positioned 57th in DeFi with about $120 million in all-out worth locked. Structural works out of the Chronos blockchain and is the second biggest DeFi convention on Chronos. The Structural convention is like various DeFi conventions by the way one can contribute and acquire, as well as how calculations deal with the liquidity pools. Following are the capabilities use instances of the Structural convention. Using the Structural stage, merchants can acquire explicit advanced resources and exploit their transient exchanging view and expand their yield potential open doors. The Structural stage permits clients to gain admittance to other cryptos for different purposes without expecting them to sell their resources. Users can create additional profits by providing their resources as liquidity suppliers. Tonic is the administration and prizes token on Structural. 51% of the tokens have been distributed as local area motivators for support, liquidity mining, and marking rewards. Regarding execution, Structural has been in activity throughout the previous 1 year. Allow us to see Tonic has acted in examination with the main 3 over the most recent a-year. Tonic, 46%, LDO, plus 28.8%, MKR, 63.0%, of 42.4%. Tonic has lost esteem in accordance with most different players. In any case, on TVL Tonic has lost 78% in esteem from its pinnacle, which is a lot higher than LDO. MKR of Contender Investigation. Structural versus OV. OV is one of the famous DeFi loaning stages where clients can get and loan crypto resources. Here, the loan specialists acquire interest on their saved resources, while borrowers utilize their crypto as security. Subsequently, OV is one of the best contenders for Structural convention. Allow us to have a concise examination between the both. As may be obvious, Structural convention has shown positive development over the most recent 3 months. In any case, it is a direct result of this that Tonic dropped to its most minimal worth not long after its send-off. Thusly, we can't absolutely guarantee here that it has beaten its rival during this period, since OV certainly has shown a few upgrades throughout recent weeks. Accumulate Finance is another DeFi loaning convention where clients can, without much of a stretch, procure interest on their saved cryptographic forms of money. Subsequently, it is one more remarkable contender of Structural convention. We should have a short gander at their past exhibitions and elements. Here, Compound Money should be visible, showing positive development since the last week and is improving when contrasted with the earlier year. Hence it has kept up with consistency over this period, in contrast to the Structural convention. Prior to anticipating whether Tonic coin is supposed to go up or down in the approaching future, let us first outline its cost history for the beyond couple of months. Its presentation in the previous months can assist us with acquiring the necessary setting for what's in store. We should examine. Above is its diagram for 1 year, and as we can see that the market cost of the Structural crypto 1 year prior was $0.00000075. Subsequently, there is a downfall of over 78.6% in its cost in 1 year, taking into account its ongoing cost of $0.00000016. Likewise, there were various highs and lows, expressing that the climb wasn't exactly consistent. It even arrived at its unequaled high worth during that period. Tonic coin's cost has expanded by over 38.1% in 90 days. However, the increment was not reliable, remembering that its cost 3 months prior was $0.00000099. Notwithstanding, its cost arrived at a top at $0.00000019 during this period, as portrayed beneath. The record-breaking high worth of Tonic, after its send-off, is $0.00000018, which it accomplished in February 2022. From that point forward, the value began to fall and is presently evaluated at $0.00000016. Again, the decay wasn't steady during the whole time frame. Likewise, its market value a month prior was $0.00000097. It implies that it has expanded by over 39.3% from that point forward. Note that Tonic crypto is 91.11% down from its untouched exorbitant cost, implying that it has a tremendous extension for development later on. Will Tonic arrive at 1 penny? To arrive at a cost of 1 penny, Tonic coin needs to develop by multiple times. After its send-off, structural crypto arrived at its untouched excessive cost of $0.000018 in February 2022, where it developed by 4.09 times in only multi-month, from the most reduced worth of $0.00000044 in January 2022. Subsequently, Tonic crypto requires 10-16 years, which isn't common sense. In addition, the ongoing business sector circumstance of liquidity and expansion is most certainly not in that frame of mind of the crypto market. Thusly, it couldn't arrive at that worth in the determined time. Consequently, arriving at 1 penny is of unimaginable errand. The main way this is doable is through an exceptionally dynamic consume program that lessens coins available for use by 90% or considerably more. Structural value forecast. Will Tonic reach $1? Taking into account that arriving at 1 penny is an inconceivable objective for Tonic crypto, $1 will be more troublesome and unimaginable. Structural value expectation 2023, 2025 and 2030. Structural value expectation 2023 is $0.00000327. Structural value expectation 2025 is $0.00000567. Structural value expectation 2030 is $0.00000230. After that tweet, a couple of hours prior, it declared that disconnected loaning pools will come live soon. Besides, Structural Convention has cooperated with Vino Money, which is a fluid marking convention on Chronos, empowering its clients to stake Cro coins. Tonic Tokenomics. Tonic is the local token structural stage and has a most extreme stock of 500 trillion tokens, out of which 110,316,376,775,748 Tonic coins are as of now available for use. Following are the essential use instances of Tonic crypto. Tonic holders can stake their tokens to receive yield compensations. Consequently, Tonic coin permits its holders to partake in the administration of the convention. Users can take part in different exercises by the structural convention to procure more tokens. Consequently, where might I at any point purchase Tonic crypto? Tonic crypto can be purchased on 1 incorporated crypto trade, i.e. crypto.com, and 2 decentralized crypto trades, to be specific, VVS Finance and Exhausted Treat City. Guide for the impending months. The structural convention means to additional form its foundation.